How to import reviews from Amazon to Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can import reviews from Amazon to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you some products from Amazon. Let's go to Amazon. So here it is. Now let's tap onto it and let's verify this captcha. So there we go. Now let's tap on to continue shopping. Shit. Okay, just let's head over to our main steps. Here we can see the settings option. You can go to it, or also you can go to apps option and then tap onto all recommended apps, and from there you can tap onto Shopify app store. Yeah, and then just simply tap on the Shopify app store and search for Amazon reviews here, then tap enter. So after entering it, you will see a lot of apps here. Then choose the one that you like the most. For example, I'm gonna use this one. Reviews from, okay, let's choose this one, FX reviews product available, this one. You can choose another one from here if you wish. You can also import this one if you want to, then just download it up, install it, and complete the installations from here. Then it's complete installing it and wait until the installation is completed. And there we go, this is the interface of it. And if you want to import reviews from here, you can just do it very easily. Let me show you how you can do it. So here you can see the importer option, and from there you can import reviews for your products. You can choose up your products, so just choose a product that you want to add it to. For example, right now I will show you from AliExpress. You have to enter the product link right now. So as I'm having some issues logging with Amazon, so let me show it with you. AliExpress, let me show it to you. AliExpress, for example, you just have to copy the link of the product. Where did it go? So you just have to choose the product, and let me show you with this one. For now you can see preview, and make sure to buy one with reviews, because if the product does not have any reviews, then it will not be able to generate reviews to Shopify store. You can just paste the link. You can just choose if you want automatic updates or not. You can choose the countries, then you can create import task, and the reviews will be added. So as you can see, the review has been added to your store. You can check out the reviews from here. Here you can check out thank you and etc. But make sure to add reviews for the exact same products. I just did it to show you. As you can see, the product both of is not same. So you can see the reviews right from here very easily. You can see all the reviews. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is so full, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you in another video.